This is Max with Spy Geeks, a division of Surveillance Plus, with a tutorial on one of our most popular spy cameras, the USB charger cam. Here's what it comes with. Easy to read instructions, the charger itself, and a micro SD to USB converter. This camera retails for $99.95 on our website. As long as you have a micro SD card in your camera, it will record motion-activated videos in 1080p forever. This particular camera can hold up to a 64GB micro SD card. Or, if you just want to watch the live feed, you can do that through the LookCamPro app. Here's how you access your live video feed from the free LookCamPro app. Open Settings, click the name of your camera, close Settings, then open the LookCamPro app, click on the name of your camera, open it, and you're in. To activate your motion-activated video recording option, go to the settings on your camera app, hit alarm settings, turn on the motion detection options, and now you're set. Here is what the camera's live feed looks like at 1080p.